In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Dexscreener from Pumpfun. If you've launched a token on Pump.fun and you want to improve how it appears on Dexscreener, this process is usually about updating your token profile with things like a logo, banner, and social links. Before you begin, it's important to know that your token generally needs to be visible on Dexscreener first. In most cases, that happens after the token has some trading activity or after it migrates to a decentralized exchange pool. Start by going to Pump.fun and making sure your token is live and active. If your token is not yet showing on Dexscreener, you may need to wait a bit before continuing. This step matters because Dexscreener typically needs to recognize the token before you can manage its profile information. Once your token is visible, go to Dexscreener's Token Info service. This is the section commonly used by token owners or project teams to manage how their token appears publicly. It's where you can usually add branding assets and project details so your listing looks more complete and trustworthy. Next, connect your Solana wallet. Make sure you are using the wallet that has the appropriate authority to handle the token-related update and that it has enough crypto available to cover the required fee and any network costs. It's always a good idea to double check that you're connected to the correct wallet before approving anything. After that, enter your token's contract or mint address. This helps Dexscreener identify the exact token profile you want to edit. Be careful when pasting the address, because even a small mistake could point to the wrong token. You can then upload your project information. This usually includes your token logo, banner image, website, X or Twitter profile, Telegram link, and any other relevant details Dexscreener allows. Take a moment here to make sure everything is accurate, clean, and consistent with your project branding, since this is what users will see when they look up your token. When everything looks good, proceed to pay the required fee in crypto following the prompt provided by Dexscreener. The platform will show you the amount due, and from there you'll confirm the transaction in your wallet. After approval, wait for Dexscreener to process the update. In many community reports, this fee is described as a per token payment rather than an ongoing subscription. Once the transaction is complete, give the platform some time to reflect the changes, and that's how to pay Dexscreener from Pumpfun and update your token's public profile.